Resetting Google Chrome's network settings can fix most issues. In this video, I'll show you how to do it safely on Windows. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Scroll down and click Advanced. Under Reset and Clean Up, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will appear. Click Reset Settings. This will reset network settings like proxy settings, temporary cache, and cookies. For persistent issues, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, Status, Network Reset, click Reset Now, and restart your PC. This resets all network adapters to default settings. That's it. Chrome should now load websites faster and without connection errors. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.